Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. Today I have another Cybertruck that we just finished wrapping using TMaxx metallic ocean blue. But this video today is not just about this beautiful color change PPF wrap. It's about making it personal. It's about branding it for your company, your brand, and something that you want to go ahead and share publicly. So after we wrap the Cybertruck in this TMaxx metallic ocean blue color, which is really cool, one of my favorite shades of blue that we do offer, this customer wanted to promote his company called 58 Lake House. And as you can see, we collaborated together with his vision and our graphic design team to go ahead and create this really cool branding up and down, as you can see, the center area of the front two doors. And what it is, as you can see, this is actually 3 layers. You've got, first of all, the metallic ocean blue PPF, then you have gloss black PPF on top of that, and then on top of that, his company logo in pearl white PPF. Pretty cool, huh? Take a look what we did over here. On the rear quarter panel, we went ahead and incorporated the 58 Lake House brand, but in a cyber font underneath the wrap for an embossed look. Subtle, but really cool. And then back here, as you can see on the tailgate, we went ahead and did similar branding, just like we did on the front 2 doors, just a little bit wider. This customer is really proud of his brand and wants to share it and promote it while he's driving his super cool Cybertruck. And let's not forget about the wheels. Great choice, my personal favorite. CTM wheels, fully forged, finished in gloss black. These are 22s, not 24s, but that's okay. It's a great look for the truck, and thanks to our friends at Falcon, the tires are perfect as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.